unboxing DJI OM 5. Check it out. Let's get to it. Right, let's go unbox this bad boy selfie stick. I've been eyeing this one on the market of mine. Now I've got my hands on it. Hopefully I know how to use them. Use this one. There we go. Been waiting for this for a while. Oh, okay. What's inside the box? It has DJI OM 5, of course, this one, and a storage pouch, a grip tripod, a wrist strap, power cable, magnetic phone clamp, and a manual. Here you go, guys. I don't know what's this shit. Must be the manual. That's it. And yeah, the cable, the attachment, I would say the tripod. To recommend that first before how to use it, but yeah, that's a tripod. And attach your phone to the device, to the DJI OM 5 gimbal phone stabilizer, and the strap. The portable pouch, so you can just pack and go and just check into your bag. Very easy, very handy, very lightweight. So I can't wait to use this one, but before that I have to look up YT first how to use this. But yes, thank you for watching for my unboxing of this DJI OM 5. Can't wait to use it. Until next time, bye. Thank you.